If the screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is yellow or orange, in order to solve this issue, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and search for display. Over here in display settings we can use 2, maybe even up to 3 options that may impact colors on your screen. The first and the main one is the eye comfort shield, which of course we can easily disable if that's the case. You can also check if you don't have like any schedule or something like that. But generally speaking, you can turn it off. You can adjust the color temperature in here if you use the custom option, and so on and so forth. And besides that, what you can also do is you can check if you have the adaptive color tone, which can also adjust colors on your screen, and it might make your screen look more yellowish. So you can turn it off in here. You can definitely see the difference. And in the screen mode, we can also apply, for example, the warmer colors if you use the white balance option in here. So you can make sure that white balance is set to the middle, or of course if you prefer you can use the natural color palette, I guess, but Vivid, I think Vivid looks just a little bit better. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.